As we have to buy the domain name for our website that we are going to develop during this course. So it is very important to understand the process of buying the domain names. Actually, there are so many domain name registrars selling the domain names at different pricing plans, or you may call it, there are different companies selling the domain names. Though I don't have any business interest in GoDaddy.com, but I will personally recommend you to buy the domain name from GoDaddy.com so that we all are at the same platform when we will develop our website. So let us begin the process of buying the domain name. To buy the domain name, go to in.godaddy.com. As I mentioned earlier, domain names are unique. That means there can exist only one domain name. Therefore, first of all, you have to check the availability of domain name that you are looking for your website. Start the search in search bar with keywords representing your business or brand or any name you want to have domain name. For example, I want to buy domain name on digital marketing. Let us check it whether it is available or not by clicking search domain. Oh, it says digitalmarketing.in is taken away. That simply means I cannot buy this domain name. However, GoDaddy will suggest you other domains similar to your search keyword here with different extensions. If you are interested, you may click Add to Cart, otherwise change your query. While finalizing the domain name, I will advise you to buy the domain name with the extension .com or .in because these extensions are good when it comes to the search engine optimization of your website. I will explain it why at appropriate time. Another thing, don't go for very costly domain names as of now, as we are going to use this domain name for learning purpose only in this course. Once you are expert in digital marketing, then you can also think about premium domain names. As I am not satisfied with the suggestion, let me change my search query. Let me search on DM MOOC, that means Digital Marketing MOOC course. Yes, this domain is available. Buy it before someone else does. And this domain is available with 149 rupees with 2 years registration. It means I have to buy this domain at least for 2 years to avail this offer. For the first year, the price will be 149 rupees and for the second year, it will be 599 rupees. If you want to buy cheaper one, then explore the suggested options as well. Once you finalize your decision, click on Add to Cart. Don't click any other option. The domain is added to your cart and click Continue to the cart for checkout options. GoDaddy will try to sell other products as well. I advise you not to buy any additional product at this stage and click on No Thanks. Here the total price is 860 rupees for 2 years, that is 149 for first year and 599 for second year. However, if you want to buy it for 1 year only or for longer period, then change it from here. I am going to buy it for 1 year, for which I will pay 516 rupees. These are just pricing strategies of GoDaddy.com. You can explore it further. As you are first time user, so before making payments, you have to click here to create your account. If already have, then click on Sign In. To create a new account, click here and fill the required details. I already have account with GoDaddy, so I will sign in with my login credentials. Now, I will check out by making the payment. Many payment options are available like credit card, net banking, debit card, and other options. You use option as per your convenience. Make sure that correct country and region is selected. I am using my net banking. Once everything is ordered, click complete purchase. Here once again you have to enter the internet banking details and make the payment. Yes, you have purchased a domain name. The confirmation will also be sent to your mail ID. Let us check it. Yes, it is there. It is confirmed now that you have purchased a domain name. You may also again log in to GoDaddy account and check under My Product. Your domain name is listed here. Congratulations. So hope it was easy and interesting process for you. I try to explain the process of buying the domain name in very simple way. However, over a period of time, these steps may slightly change. But don't worry, I hope you can buy the domain name at any time, even the steps are changed, because this step is or this process is very simple. Thank you.